In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a website in Hostinger Website Builder. If you're ready to make your site visible online, this process is very simple and only takes a moment once your website is prepared. I'll walk you through exactly what to look for so you can confidently publish your site without any confusion. First, open your Hostinger account and sign in. Once you're inside your dashboard, you'll be able to access the website you want to work on. This is the main area where Hostinger keeps your websites, settings and builder tools all in one place. So if you're managing more than one site, just make sure you choose the correct one before continuing. Next, click Edit Website. This will open the Hostinger Website Builder, where you can make changes to the content and design of your site. If you need to adjust anything before publishing, this is the place to do it. For example, you can update text, replace images, add new elements, or insert a new section into the page. It's a good idea to quickly review your home page and any important pages to make sure everything looks the way you want. As you edit, pay attention to the overall layout and spacing so your website looks clean and professional. If something seems out of place, you can fix it here before making the site live. Taking a moment to review your work now can help you avoid publishing small mistakes. Once you're done editing your website, look at the top of the builder. You'll see a button labeled Go Live. Simply click that button and Hostinger will publish your website. This means your latest version will be made available online for visitors to see. In some cases, if your website has already been published before, you may not see Go Live. Instead, you might see Update Website. That means the site is already live, and any new changes you've made just need to be updated. In that case, click Update Website to apply the latest edits to your existing live site. That's all it takes. Open your Hostinger account, click Edit Website, make any changes you want, and then click Go Live or Update Website, depending on whether the site is new or already published. Once the button is clicked, your website should be live with your latest changes. And that's how to publish a website in Hostinger Website Builder.